Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tour review, we're going to be looking at a construction calculator. Not so much a name brand on this one. You can just see construction calculator. If you look at the back of the box, though, it says ROATEE is the name brand right there. There's the back of the box as well if you want to zoom in and read any of that information. So it is a construction calculator. I've got other construction calculators. I picked this one up off Amazon. It was fairly cheap. Has several functions on it that I really like. I really love the Construction Master Pro. I had that app on my Android phone, but then whenever I swapped over to iPhone, I went to go buy the app again, and now it's like a pay per month for a calculator, and I'm absolutely not doing that. This one came in at 40 bucks, which isn't expensive for a construction calculator. If you go to Home Depot and Lowe's and you check them out, they're fairly expensive. But this one has a e-writer. That's the whole reason why I bought this. So I kept going on Facebook Marketplace, looking at tools and things like that, and I'd see an advertisement for Tradie Notes. They basically have a calculator feature like this with the e-writer. They've got some that have e-writers. They've got some that is just two e-writers with no calculator. They've got lots of options, but they had a calculator in theirs that wasn't really like the one I was used to using, so I didn't want to buy one of those. Well, then they came out with a new version that was $55, and this is exactly the same thing as far as it looks like to me anyways. Has the same cover, the same case, the same stylus. All the stuff is in the same place. Theirs just has like their Tradie Notes stuff on there, and that was $55. So this was more or a little bit cheaper, and it's going to be easier for me to return if it was something that I didn't want after I got it. So I decided I'd go ahead and try it out here. So it is your construction calculator. We open this up. Again, this isn't going to be a review for what all you can do on a construction calculator. You can probably find a video on that. There is a book that has like tons of formulas. I mean, it's got spring angle, stair, arc, rise, run, pitch. You can figure out all sorts of stuff, how many block, how much drywall, your concrete calculator. You can do all those things with this. Now, one way that I really love a construction calculator is just to have the feet and inches aspect. You can't really do that on a lot of calculators. So if I wanted to, let's clear it off, do 8 feet, 7 inches and 3/4 plus 5 feet, 8 inches and 3/8. That's going to give me 14 feet, 4 inches, and an eighth. That does all that calculating. It's not a big deal whenever you've only got two fractions, if they're a little different, to add that up in your head. But whenever you got like 6 or 7 and they all end in different fractions, like everything's different, it's just more accurate. You can do it in your head, obviously, but you know, you're more likely to make a mistake. So I use it for feet and inches all the time, and then occasionally I get it out and use it for these other things, especially whenever I'm estimating. But the calculator part of it's not the whole reason why I bought this. I bought it for this e-writer. So if we open this up, that is your cover. It snaps in here, keeps your calculator protected, or we can open it, flip it over, it locks in on this other side, and then essentially you have this e-writer where you have a stylus over here, and I can now write on here. So if I'm making a cut list, you know, 119 3/4 a board I'm cutting, like a baseboard or something, 70 1/2, 50 5/8. All that is on there. Now, all I have to do to erase that is press this button. Now it's gone. So it's going to save you paper, all that kind of stuff. Like normally I use a piece of trim board, go around with my pencil and write on it, and then I just throw those away. But sometimes those don't fit in your pouch well. And that's one thing about this, is that's going to fit in your pouch. So if you carry a pouch on your vest or whatever, you could use that. But then also you're not just getting your, you know, trim board that you're writing on. Again, you still have a construction calculator to be able to do some things. Now you might be wondering, what if I make my cut list, I spend all that time going around and measuring, and then I accidentally hit that button and erase it. So you can hit this lock button over here. It's got a little lock, and now I can press that button all I want to, and those measurements aren't going to go away. So that's kind of nice. Also, it does take a CR1220 little coin cell battery. As far as the battery that it takes, it's included in there. And then again, it has the e-writing functions. Let me unlock it there and then erase it. So you could use that for cut lists. You could use it for, you know, if I'm drawing out something that I'm making a couple different cuts on, and I want to say this is 12 inches, you know, this is 6, all that kind of stuff. You can easily like draw out something, save that on there. The same thing. Again, anything that you're normally going to take a piece of paper, a piece of trim, write on it with your pencil, you can do the same thing on here. I was a little curious about how easy I'd be able to see that. I don't know how well it comes off on camera, but I'm under like these brights. The lights that I have up above me are super bright. It's been cloudy for like the last 3 days. I've been wanting to get a sunlight aspect of it, but I can see these plain as day. It's not maybe as bright as like are as easy to see as pencil lead on a white trim board, but it's definitely easy enough for me to see. Now, the only thing I'm a little bit leery of whether or not I'm actually going to like this is because you have to use like this stylus. Now, you can use probably any stylus. It would be nice if somebody would invent like a 2mm lead that has a stylus tip on it. Maybe I might see if I can figure out a way to make this fit into a Pica pencil or a Hultafors, and then I won't even use this as far as holding it, but it does have a place to put the stylus. But I would much prefer like holding a regular pencil and using it, because that's what I'm going to have on me anyway. So I might see if I can come up with a way to turn a Pica or a Hultafors pencil into a stylus. But again, it is basically a e-writer. I'm curious to know if any of you down below have used one of these on the job site. This will be the first time I've used one of these as far as trying to save paper, I guess. That's not really the aspect of it for me. The reason why I'm doing it, I'm just doing it because it's easier to put into a tool pouch, always to have on me, and I've got the construction calculator at the same time, so it's kind of a all-in-one package for me. But I'm curious about anybody that's used these on the job sites, how well they hold up, how well do you see things on it out in like blazing sunlight and stuff like that. Curious to get that kind of feedback below, and then other people might have that same question. They can go down and read the comment section as well. But again, I'm sharing this with you because it is a little bit cheaper option than the Tradie Notes. Now again, Tradie Notes has multiple versions. They've got most of theirs, I think, even open up like a book more so than this flip style right here. They've got some that are just 2 of these instead of no calculator, and then they've got one that has a different style calculator than this. And I think they've also got a Duramax version that comes out with an aluminum housing that was probably more specific for job sites, because it's probably going to hold up better over time. So again, you can take it, slide it in pouches, use it as a notepad, use it as your construction calculator. $40, I don't think it's that bad of a deal for it. Time will ultimately tell if this e-writer is something that I stick with over my just writing on trim boards and stuff like I always do. But as always, I'm just sharing this with you in case it is something that would be useful to you. Again, maybe you've been looking at the Tradie Notes, you're like, I don't know if it's something I would use. This one's probably going to be a little bit easier to return if it's something that you get and you're like, no, that's not for me. But as always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe, have a blessed day. I'll see you on the next video.